Are you one of the millions of women that are struggling to become pregnant? Many women are now turning to a book entitled Pregnancy Miracle for guidance on how to become pregnant fast, even if you've been trying unsuccessfully. The author, Lisa Olson, is an alternative health and nutrition specialist, health consultant, and former infertility sufferer. In this book, she claims that you can get pregnant quickly and naturally within 2 months, give birth to healthy babies, reverse both female and male infertility issues, improve the quality of your life dramatically. This system works even if you're in your late 30s or 40s. You have tubal obstruction, you have high levels of FSH, you have PCOS or endometriosis, you have uterine fibroids or uterus scarring, you have ovarian cysts, you have a history of miscarriages, your male partner has low sperm count, and it does so without resorting to drugs, IVF, or IUI procedures. The book suggests 5 key recommendations for a woman that's trying to conceive. The first is to establish her reproductive system fully to create the optimal conditions for conception. Focusing on your diet as well as vitamins and minerals. Lisa's list of foods and vitamins enhance fertility in females. Acupuncture, acupressure, and traditional Chinese herbs can aid in getting pregnant. Fasting and cleansing. And finally, sexual positions, timing, ovulation, and sperm count are discussed. In all, Lisa Olson offers a very holistic approach to fertility. There is a lot of quality information for women who want to do everything they can to optimize their body for pregnancy. But you must have an open mind to holistic or Eastern medicine. Much of her program is rooted in Chinese medicine, and much of this information is practiced routinely throughout China. And you have to admit, with over 6 billion people in China, the Chinese may know something about fertility. There are many success stories with the Pregnancy Miracle program, and the information is backed by 14 years of clinical research, which includes 65,000 hours and 5 years of experimentation. Another great thing about the Pregnancy Miracle program is that it's backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you find that you don't like it, just request a refund. So will this book enable every woman that reads it to get pregnant? Of course not. But for a lot of women, it has definitely helped. There are many testimonials from women all over the world that have utilized this system and have given birth to children. There is valuable information for women that have been trying unsuccessfully to get pregnant. If you are willing to work hard to get pregnant, then this system is definitely worth trying. For more information about the Pregnancy Miracle program, click the link below.